It's whistle time.
Doggy! What's up, humans? How y'all doing? How's your mom and them? Man, it's been a crazy week. Holy shit. Okay. I thought I was about to have to do some evasive maneuvers. It's been a crazy week on the internet. A whole bunch of people got disappointed. Another rapture prediction fell through. These people went the extra mile, though. They, like, quit their jobs, sold their cars, sold their houses, gave away their dogs and shit. Absolutely wild behavior on their part. Like, I kind of get it, though. Like, people are going to claw towards certainty, and, like, in uncertain times, like, when things are, like, not particularly stable or good, and conditions aren't great, people are going to cling to that hope. It's what keeps them going. But, you know, I not normally want to cast aspersions, so I'm trying to be nice about this. But, like, at what point do you just kind of go, nah, this dude was on a podcast just kind of talking, and that's what I'm going to base major life decisions off of? I don't know about you, but I think the last thing I would do is, like, upend my entire life because some podcaster said that the world was going to end in 2 weeks. You're not gonna do that. Not gonna do that. I think a lot of people are just desperate, and desperation makes easy marks of us all. What about that singer David? I hadn't even heard of the dude before, like, the story broke about, like, the dead girl in his trunk. Crazy stuff. Man, you know that old Key and Peele sketch where, like, the cops are interviewing the drill rapper, and they're like, these are your lyrics, and he's like, yeah, but that's artistic interpretation. And the lyrics are some shit like, this is my confession, admissible in court. I killed Darnell Williams for sport. Yeah, no, this situation is basically exactly like that, except with some dude that makes, like, emo zoomer pop. Bro is really out here writing songs called, like, romantic homicide and shit. Like, come on, dude. The whole David thing is so crazy to me. You know, not only was he, like, writing songs about it and shit, like, apparently he only, like, invited underage girls into his Discord, which is sus to begin with, but then you find out the girl in the trunk was, like, 14, 15, some shit like that. Bruh. Like, it is actually insane. I watched the Bruce Rivers video about it. He explains it way better than I do. Because he's an actual lawyer, but dude is cooked. Yeah, no, but, like, I still can't get over, like, the rapture talk thing. Like, how do people actually get so like, wrapped up into something like that? Boggles the mind. Like, I think the funniest video I saw about it, though, was this person was just like, hey, since the rapture's happening, could you, like, take care of my dog? And like, the audacity, honestly. I don't know, man. I haven't talked a lot about stuff like this, but I just thought it was fascinating. Like, usually I'm just rambling about motorcycles and shit, but, like, look, pre-tribulation theology and its consequences have been a disaster for TikTok. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm an ordained minister. That's something a lot of people don't know. I'm an ordained minister. Have been for a while now. And, like, in the Gospel of Matthew, it says that no man shall know the day nor hour of the day of judgment. I don't remember the verse, but you can look it up. It's in there. Just skim. You'll find it. Like, people in positions of power as faith leaders need to be more responsible with what they say. Because they're in a position where they can make people, case in point, the rapture talk people, sell all their worldly possessions, quit their job, give away their dog, all for, like, a maybe with a really significant chance of not happening. I feel bad for them, though. I really do. My heart goes out to them, but boy howdy if it isn't funny. But yeah, I think that's all I got in me today. We're all still here. The rapture came and went and nothing happened. David's going to prison probably. I'm gonna keep the next couple of miles between me and the insurance company. Y'all have you a good one. I'm fucking losing it!